Hello, I'm Martin and I'm content addicted.
Hello, Martin.
Yeah, content addicted. I understand it. I cannot do it without anything, just because if you're posting every single day, if you're making videos every single day, then of course you're addicted what to post next day. That's probably became a routine for me. Every single day when I'm waking up, first thing I'm thinking about is what I'm going to make video about today. It's just because it's 6 months already, right? So then it's harder and harder to get this content for you, because I cannot post mountains just because it's been on my videos so many times. I cannot post videos from diving because diving also becomes boring for you. I can post diving, of course, but then I have to go to some interesting places which never been on a videos, and I cannot do it every single day just because I have courses, and the course schedule is primary one, the video is a secondary one. So that's why I'm all the time experimenting and trying to find something new, but it's getting harder and harder. You would say, oh Martin, why are you posting every single day? But that's the kind of challenge for myself. First of all, to become better with editing. That's what I've been telling you already. And the second thing is that when I'm doing this videos every single day, then I'm actually forced to go around and find the new content. If I would make a video only once a week, later on when this one cycle of 1 year will be done, then of course I will move to this 1 week video schedule, definitely. Good morning. Decided to go and check out the new trail. The last time we went to the mountains, we went up the river. We found some waterfalls, but now I would like to find out how the people going to that waterfalls from the top. That's our task for this morning. Let's try to check it out. See you later. So we came to the highest point. We are about 500 meters above the sea level at the moment, but the idea is to find the trail to that waterfall. If we will not find it, we will turn around and we'll go back the same trail. So we came on a trail which looks pretty solid. That means that there is a lot of people going. It's not only for cutting grass. We'll show you that. So we will follow it. If it will end up nowhere, so we'll go back all the trail. It's super annoying to go back the same trail you've been like going down, but I think that's an option for today, because later on I still have to do the dive master course with Mahide, and I don't want to waste all the day for it. think our expedition is in a trouble to find the path. So that's where the water comes. So that's the highest point where the water comes down, but we cannot find the trail. So we will spend another 5-10 minutes to find it, and then probably we'll go just back. But it's just a cliff. Careful.
That's a cliff.
Cliff?
That's a jet track.
The point where to go down, maybe it's just there. Remember there was like... But it's like... We are really high at the moment, actually. It's like... I cannot even imagine how to get down there.
So cliffs?
Yeah, it's all around cliffs.
It's a
Like,
huge trace all around.
we stuck in another place. There's just cliff down there. You cannot go down without the ropes. So this one is like a kind of place we're going to turn around when there is rain. So then all the water goes. Then there's one like a waterfall. So yeah, turning around, going back. I think that's it for today for the hiking. So now we will just run the trail down, and then I'm going for into the ocean to do some diving with the mojito. In YouTube there is this since October, when the YouTube started accepting these shorts. Basically they have YouTube stories, but the YouTube stories can be posted only by those who has 10,000 subscribers. I don't have it, so that's why. But there is this shorts where you can post these vertical videos, and the people watching, that principle is the same like Instagram or TikTok. I took the footage from Latvia about the puppies, the beagle puppies. I posted it, and it got more views than any of my videos just in few hours. And then you start thinking that where is the point to fight for all this good content, right? So it's just post something and people, it's just clicking and watching and scrolling, and it's like all these views. So finally you're feeling kind of useless. Absolutely, because you're wasting a lot of money to find the right music for editing, and that someone just pressed the button on the phone, took one vertical video, and that's it, going viral. I know it's like there's actually still 100 of ideas what I can do, but if I'm posting every single day I cannot edit really long, because I'm still doing courses, I'm still busy with my primary things. And if the editing takes a little bit too long, so then it's like a kind of to do it or not to do. So I think it's an everyday vlogging, you have to keep this editing stuff quite simple. You cannot focus on some small details, you have to keep it simple. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you still keep watching. I know that you sometimes saying that I'm posting too often, and then you cannot see all the episodes because it's coming new one, and then finally there are too many of them, and it's like a kind of, you start skipping them. But one day when you will have enough time, so that you will have a chance to watch me during this pandemic time, what I did, how it was, maybe it will bring up some good memories about Bali. The primary reason was why I did it. That's the original idea of it. So thank you very much for watching again. Subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.